Okay, this morning we'd like to introduce you to the Lil Gold Trap, which is a machine that we've invented for getting microscopic gold. Most all the material you run is going to have this gold in it, even though you don't know it because you can't see it. One speck of this gold is so small that you can't see it with the naked eye, but it's there and there's a lot of it. So as you can see, our sluice box is clean. Now we're going to turn on the vibrator. And this is the material we're going to run. This material comes out of the Snake River, which you people from Idaho, or people that know miners from Idaho, know that Snake River gold is probably the finest gold you're going to find anywhere. Like I say, one speck of it is so small you can't see it with the naked eye. So what we're going to do, we're going to take our tablespoon, fill it with concentrate. Now this concentrate has to be screened through a 20 screen, nothing larger than a 20 screen. Now we're going to take the spoon, we're going to put the tip bit right under the spout, and the vibration on the water will actually feed the material into the machine. You want to do it slowly because, as most of you know, hurry and gold don't go in the same sentence. So take your time. You spend a lot of time and a lot of effort into getting this material. You want to get everything out of it that's in it. So we're going to run about 3 or 4 tablespoons of this. Like I said, take your time. You don't have to be in a hurry. You can feed this with one hand and have your favorite cold beverage in the other. And this is machine. Nice thing about this machine is you can set it up anywhere. You can set it up on the kitchen table if you can get away with it. The wife might have something to say about it, but once she sees the results, she might change her mind. Okay, now we're going to let this run for a second, and you'll start seeing gold appear just past the tip of the nozzle. And this is your gold will stay within the first 4.5 inches of your sluice. Now I hope you can see that gold starting to appear. We're going to add a little more material here. Now your blue bowls and your spiral wheels will not pick this gold up. It will kick it right back out into the tailings. And believe me, in all the material that you run, there's going to be this kind of gold, and you want to be able to capture it. The amount of material we're running is about a half a Dixie cup full, so it's not much material. Nice thing about this machine is it's made right here in the USA, which is kind of uncommon these days, it seems. And the amount of time it took to get this machine to this point has been about 3 years, and my partner and I have got about 50 years of prospecting between us, so we know the problem it is to collect this kind of gold, and that's why we invented this machine to begin with. We were losing so much gold using the current machines that are on the market, and they just wouldn't collect it. So we wanted to find something that would collect it. And this is what we've come up with, and it does work. Now we're going to let this just sit here and run for a second, and you're going to see the gold appearing in the little riffles. Now this is gold that normally would have went right back into your tailings again. And why would you want to work all day and then throw, you know, all this gold right back into where you dug it? Now I hope you can see that, but there's some nice lines of gold right there, and it's all very, very, very fine gold. This machine comes with everything you need, except for your power supply, which can be a battery charger or a small 12-volt battery, and water. Everything else comes with it. Your jet drive, which we use to break the surface tension of the water so your gold can't float. It comes with the tablespoon, your little dropper for sucking the gold out, and you can just drop it into a dish as it builds up in here, and keep running. You can run this until your water gets so dirty you can't see the bottom of your sluice box. And it comes with a little brush, so when you want to clean your sluice out, you just tip it up at an angle, let everything run to the side, and you can just brush your riffles and use a turkey baster or whatever mom will let you have to wash this out.